Hi everyone, welcome to Learn and Build Web Application using ASP.NET MVC and Code First Entity Framework video series. In this Lab 6 video, we're going to see what is the action result and what are the various types of action results, and with a small demo we will see the types of action results. Okay, so let's begin with the topic, action results in MVC. So what is action result? Okay, action result is actually it's used as a return type by default in the set of action methods present in the controller. Okay, let's open up some of the controller, like example home controller. So here you can see that this controller contains a set of action methods. So whenever you create a controller, the set of action methods in this set of it contains a set of action methods. It can contain a set of action methods, and for these action methods, by default, the return type of this action method will be action result. Okay, so next point we shall see is we can run various types of return types as results for the action results. Okay, so here we can see for this action method we are using return type as action results. So for this return type action results, we can return various types of results, like we can return view, or we can return JSON, or we can return content, or we can even return redirect to action, etc. So for the same action result, we can return various types of results. Okay, so this action result is the one which will decide how the output needs to be rendered to the browser. Okay, am I clear? So now we shall see the next point. Action result is the abstract class, and there are many derived action results in MVC. Okay, the above feature is possible, action result allows us to return various types of result. This feature is made it possible because action result is the abstract class. Okay, if you go to action result and click on F12, you can see this action result is a abstract class. Okay, so you can see, you can if I change this to a view result, and if you click on F12 and see, so you can see here view result. If you click on this view result base class, you can see this view result base class is inherited with action result. Okay, so this is how action result works. So this is how action result can return various types of return types. Okay, so this is about action result in MVC. So next we're going to see what are all the various types of action results. Okay, now let's see what are the various types of action results along with a demo. Okay, so first we shall start with the view result. So let's see what is this view result. See, even though we can use action result as a return type, where it can return the various types of results, always it would be a better practice or the best practice to use the specific corresponding return type in the action method which is present in the controller, so that we have to use the specific corresponding return type, that what we gonna return for that particular action method. For example, if we gonna return view, if we're gonna return view, so it's better to use view result. Even though action result also works, it's better to go with a particular or a corresponding return type which we gonna return. Okay, so it makes a best practices, or the performance also would be better. Okay, so now let's see with the example. So here I'm going to return index index view page. Okay, so I'm using view result action method, and so here it renders the view as a web page to the browser. Okay, so it has to render the index web page. Let me run it in the Chrome. So here you can see it has rendered me the view page. Okay, so for this view page, if you want to give different some other view, then also you can give, like if you want to render about, and also you can pass some object, okay, or some object model, or even also we can select the master template here, from the view, from the action method also we can select the particular layout page which we're gonna use, that is specific to the action method, and also we can send the model object here. Okay, we can send some object here. Okay, now this is about the view. So we have seen about the view, how view, if we use view result, it renders the view as a web page to the browser. Now we shall see what is partial view result. Okay, so if we use partial, we will be using partial view to render the section of a view to the another view page. Okay, normally we will be using this partial view for creating a responsive UI. Okay, so this partial view is just like user control pages in ASP.NET web forms. Okay, so next we shall see the next action method. Okay, the next action result is content result. Okay, so let me see what is this content result. Okay, this content result returns the user defined content data. So suppose I want to return content result as content hello world, content hello world. Okay, I can pass it as a string. Let me build and check it. So here I should be able to see hello world. Yes. Okay, so this is about the content result. Now next we shall see JSON result. Okay, what is JSON result? It returns the JSON data in a name value pair. Okay, actually you will be coming across the many scenarios where you want to return JSON data to your view page or script. So if you're returning JSON data, what happens is in the JavaScript side, it will be easy for you for parsing the JSON data, and you can use however you want. So it will be better when compared to XML. Parsing the JSON data will be easier when compared to XML. So let me show you the example how we can return the JSON data. Say suppose I want to return JSON data, so I have to use the return type. We can use either action method, sorry, action result, or also we can use JSON result. So here I'm gonna return JSON, and let me create an anonymous method for returning a JSON data. New employee name is equal to, and age equal to 24. Okay, so I'm returning the JSON data. You can see here it contains a key value pair. Okay, let me build the solution and check it what it gonna render. Okay, so here you can check this. Uh, the error it shows is that this request has been blocked because sensitive information could be disclosed to the third party. Okay, so whenever we gonna use we want to return JSON data, so since it is a get data, we have to use this JSON request behavior. Okay, so along with this I have to use JSON request behavior dot allow get. Okay, let me build this. So what this JSON request behavior tells is it tells the browser that it tells us to allow the GET request to retrieve the JSON data. Okay, let's see now. Okay, so you got the JSON data. Yeah. So basically, you might be coming across many scenarios where you want to transfer the data, JSON data from controller to JavaScript. So in JavaScript, it would be very easy for passing the JSON data and use according to your needs. Okay, so this is about the JSON data. Now next, we shall see empty result. Okay, empty result it returns none. Okay, if we use empty result, it's just nothing but it returns none. We have to use return null. It just returns null. Okay, now next we shall see another type of action result is file content result or file path result or file stream result. Okay, so this what this action result do is it returns the contents of the file. Say suppose you want to return some content of the file, then you can go with file content result or path result. Okay, so let me show you the example. So return file, I should be using return file. So here you can see that you can provide the details like the file contents or the string file name. Okay, so let me render the file name like let me render here site.css file names. Okay, so let us see how can we render this file name. Okay, so let me give you the relative path of the file name, content slash site.css. Okay, and after this we should also type tell what is the content type of the file. Okay, so here the content type will be text slash css. Okay, let me build the solution and check it right now. So it should be able to give the content of the css file site.css. So here we can see we have retrieved the content of the css file. So this is about the file content result. And next type of action result is HTTP unauthorized result. Okay, so if we're gonna use if we want to return any HTTP 403 status, then we can use HTTP unauthorized result. And JavaScript result. So in this JavaScript result, if you want to return any scripts from the controller, then we can use JavaScript result. And now we shall see the next type of action result is redirect result. Okay, what this redirect result do is it redirects the client to a new URL. Let me show you with the example redirect result. So if I want to redirect directly to some other so whenever I call to this action method, I want to redirect to some other, like let me say I want to redirect to google.com. Okay, now let's see. So here if I run this, then it should be redirecting to google.com. Okay, so here we can see it got redirected to google.com. Okay, so this is about the redirect method. Now let's see what is the last action type result is redirect to root result. Okay, so this normally used if you want to redirect to another action method or another controller action method, we can use this redirect to root result. So let me say if I want to redirect to we have already seen that this action method redirect to action. So here you can give the particular action method name. So we have to use redirect to action. So here we have already seen like we can redirect to one action method to another action method. So here we have to give the action method name. Like example, I'm giving about. Let me go to about, and also we can give the controller name. Okay, this about is present in the home controller itself. So let's build this solution and see whether it is redirecting to the new action method. So here you can see it has redirected to the about action method. Okay, so this is about the various types of action results. uh, Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel for watching more videos. Thank you. Bye.